Love is like a roller coaster, but I'm trying to hold on. I don't want it to stop. Even though we fight sometimes and it feels like a war zone, I still care about us. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the...
Hello, happy Valentine's Day. Yes, if you're thinking I'm in a robe and it looks like night, it's because it is. This is post-dinner, friends. So I'm going to show you a little clip of the drama that I was experiencing tonight. And I just could not wait to get home and get comfortable. Even though I'm still wearing these. Because they are so cute and they're so comfortable. Like, these have made it to the top of my favorite shoes list. These Giuseppes are just so comfortable. Actually, when we went to dinner, we had to stand for, well, we eventually got a seat at the bar, but it took about 20 minutes to get our table, and I was so comfortable the entire time. They're so well made. They do not cinch any of my toes. My bottoms of my feet were feeling good. Like, I mean, I'm still wearing them, and dinner was over 5 hours ago, so that tells you a lot. Like, these are great. They are wonderful. But anyways, we're gathered here today because I'm about to open up my Valentine's Day gift with you guys, and yes, it is jewelry. So first, let's backtrack a little bit. Let me show you my outfit and kind of tell you what was going on. Happy Valentine's Day, friends. So is that lipstick? I'll get that in a minute. But I just got ready to go out. We're going to dinner. And unfortunately, I am PMSing so bad. I feel so bloated. I am not in the mood for this. I really want to go put on some sweatpants and curl up and watch TV. But this is our only opportunity this week to go out. And I already had everything planned. So we're just going to go. So let's see if I can fit into this dress. I'm supposed to be wearing a bodycon dress by Balmain. I'm actually about to unbox it with you real quick, and hopefully I'll feel good in it. If not, I'll just have to wear the blazer over it. I also have a Balmain blazer. So let me unbox both of those, put them on, and see how I'm feeling. And hopefully it's good and it works out because I gotta go.
Even in the hard times, I care about you. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't...
Actually, my husband has already opened his gift. So let me show you the vlog of when I went shopping for his. And let me show you what I got him. It's, well, let me show you first. All right, friends, I'm headed back to the mall. Actually, I'm in the mall. We have company. Who's this? I ended up bringing her because she wanted to come. So heading down to the store right now, and we're gonna grab the merchandise and probably go get our nails done because my nails, these gotta go.
I can't believe my eyes when I get close to you, close to you, close to you. You said hello and I lost my control.
What I have? The perfume? Yes, I do.
You do to me what I've seen in the movies.
You want to see yourself?
The white thing, so yeah, you spray it like that. And then, there you go. Cool. And now,
You like it?
for the one that you can write a nice message.
Oh my goodness, thank you. Yes, thank you. Oh wow, look at this bag.
So but this one was done for the 200 years of like Louis Vuitton.
Wow.
So the handle's a little bit different because we usually have like the blue.
The blue, right?
Did I?
Ooh, this is
Catalog as well,
beautiful.
but I don't think I have
I like this.
My walls are down, they've been burned to the ground by.
So yes, a beautiful new toiletry case from Louis Vuitton. We went, I think our last trip, our staycation, I was kind of borrowing a tweezer from him, and I'm like, you could use a toiletry pouch though. And so it was on my mind to get him a new one, and so I'm so glad they had one that matches his duffel bag that I got him for our anniversary. So yeah, perfect. But let's get into it. So look what we have. If you know, you know. This beautiful sage green is from Van Cleef and Arpels, and you're about to see what I got. It's so pretty. Now, I don't mean to spoil the surprise, but obviously if you have watched my wish list videos, my jewelry wish list, you probably know what this is, because actually I had two Van Cleef Arpels items, but you already know the situation if you've been watching. Let's go ahead and unbox this beauty. Also, we bought this from Neiman Marcus, but they have a Van Cleef and Arpels counter in there, and I'm super excited that it came in the Van Cleef packaging. Can y'all see this? I hope not. So I'm really glad that it came packaged in Van Cleef and not in Neiman Marcus, so that I actually have the authentic packaging from the brand. So I'm super happy to be adding this to the collection. So let me shut up and let's take a look at it.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to roll, just wanna let you know.
Alright friends, this is the Vintage Alhambra by Van Cleef and Arpels. It's a pendant on the chain and it's in malachite. So this beautiful green color here. And I'm gonna try it on for you. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but we'll try. So we've got our green. So gorgeous. What I loved about this necklace when I tried it on, yes, I've seen it in person prior. I try not to buy anything I haven't actually experienced. It has two ways to close it. So there's a shorter one that makes it drop right here, and then there's a longer one that brings it a little bit lower. So I like that they've already built that into the necklace. And then the pendant is two-sided. So both sides of it is green. So if you're wearing it and it flips around, you don't have to worry about it because both sides has color. And that is amazing, because sometimes you'll have a back and a front and the back is not as attractive as the front. So I like that this Van Cleef and Arpels necklace gives you the option of wearing it on both sides. That is wonderful. I think it is, no, I don't think. So it is set in 18 karat gold. And it's just such a delicate, dainty piece that I've been wanting, and I'm so excited to have her here. All right, friends, look how pretty it is. And I just love that it's both sides, so there is no wrong way to wear it. And yeah, this is about to be a new favorite everyday necklace. I really, really wanted something green, and this is it. It looks so good. Yes. Alright friends, please do not judge me if you can see my lashes lifting or my makeup is getting... It's been a long night and I'm really tired. Wait. Pause. What is that?
The second, yeah.
A second gift has entered the chat. Pause. Oh my god! No way! No way you did. What? Okay, hobby of the year, hobby of the century. I mean, like, I don't even want to open it. I just want to cry. I just want to put it away for a little bit until I get over this and then come back and look at it in the future. But since you're already here and I have a little bit of time, let's just do it. my gosh. Oh no. Oh. This. Okay, so Christmas. Total surprise with those Mattiacello earrings. Valentine's Day. I thought this was it. I thought we were done. How did this happen? Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's such a heavy box too, guys. It's such a heavy box. And it's really big. Look how big this is. Cartier has entered the Valentine's Day chat. I mean, why not red? Okay, we have all the red things today. Actually, this might be the thumbnail. What do y'all think of this for the thumbnail? Well, you don't know because you will see the thumbnail before we get here, so let me get the thumbnail. Beautiful. Should we open it? Let's open it. Let's just do it. Oh, I can't get it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, guys. Let me turn this down. Let me turn this down. Look how gorgeous this watch is. So if you haven't seen my Cartier comparison video, I showed you guys this beautiful Panther watch with the diamonds. This is a small size. And this is what is in this beautiful box. And it's going to be sitting on my right hand with my Tiffany knot bracelet. It's so pretty.
I wanna spend some time, ready to talk, baby, and be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me, or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now.
Alright friends, thank you for hanging out. Let me know what you think of these. Sorry for all the cuckoo crazy. I hope you had a great Valentine's Day. See you friends in another video. Bye.
Wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now.